are you today?
Hello, Brenda. I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing amazing. It's good to hear. It's a really beautiful day out there.
Oh, yeah, it is. It's a
Mhm.
beautiful day. It's a beautiful day for an interview.
Yeah, that's perfect. All right, let's get started, okay?
Right.
Okay, my first question is, what do you think a valuable skill for a dental assistant is and why?
I believe that a valuable skill for data assistant, actually valuable skills are communication, because communication is really important with the patient, so we can understand what they're feeling and also explain what we are doing, how we're treating them, and what needs to be done. And also, we need to have great clinical skills because we want to give the patient the best treatment, right? We need to give the patient the best care. So I believe that we need to have good clinical skills, like doing provisional crowns good, packing cord good. We are going to be amazing dental assistants.
Yeah. To go along with that, communication is definitely key around here. We thrive on that, and that's something that we love. So that's great to hear that.
Thank you.
Now moving on to the next question is, how much experience do you have as a dental assistant?
Uh, as I just graduated from the Tony State College, I have plenty of experience because we had externship 1 and 2, which we went to different offices, and it was more than 300 hours that we're working with the offices. So we're doing the expanded functions and taking patients and taking radiographs and doing provisional crowns and all the expanded functions. So I believe I'm ready for my job as a dental assistant.
It's nice to hear. So what computer applications are you familiar with? It's like EagleSoft or Dentrix or any other ones?
Yeah, actually, I'm familiar with Dentrix. That's what we learned at school, and that's what I saw in the dental office I went, because it's the one that they use more in the area we live. But I'm open to learn about any other one. I'm glad and happy to learn about any other one
Okay, yeah,
without
it's great
without
to hear.
problems.
Yeah, yeah. All right, so let me give you a little situation type of question, okay?
Okay.
So you are given a list of 10 things to do at work. The third one has got you stuck. How do you handle this situation?
I would keep going for the fourth and fifth, and then when I finish the 10 things I have to finish, I would come back to the third one because I would have a better mind and I had evaluate the situation better so I could get that one done as well.
Great, it's great to hear. Yeah, we love to problem solve around here and see if we get stressed, how we manage that stress too.
I will handle with calm actually because it's not worth it to be stressed about anything. We need just to keep calm and think how to better solve that problem. So
Mhm.
I believe that keep calm and just thinking and uh, thinking about the solution would be the best way to do something in the office instead of be stressed, because stress wouldn't get us anywhere.
Get to nowhere. So tell me about what your boss at your past job would say about your performance.
I actually they would say great things about me. I went to 4 different dental offices, and 4 different dentists they evaluate my job, how I did, and I had great evaluations. And I even told them that I was coming to this interview, and in case you all wanted to talk to them as reference, they would be glad to talk to you and say how was working with me and having me at their dental office.
Yeah, I would love to get a hold of that and reference them because that's amazing to hear.
Thank you. Yeah, they said that I'm clever, that I am good with my attitude. I had positive attitude. I was great working as a team, and I was a good asset to their office. So, yeah, you can call them anytime.
Okay, great. Tell me about your greatest professional achievement.
My greatest professional achievement, I would say, was graduating dental assisting school.
Hmm.
It's 1 year, but it's a hard year. We had to do many things, and I'm so glad that I graduated. It's a CODA credit school, so it was a great achievement for me. And I fell in love with this profession, so I'm so happy that I can now work as a dental assistant.
Perfect.
Mhm.
So Caroline, I have interviewed a lot of other people for the job. What makes you most qualified though for this position?
I think that passion. I think passion is what differentiates me about this position because I love my profession. And when you love what you do, you are great with your patients and you're going to exceed. So that's the difference. That's the difference. Not just the clinical skills which I have, but also the passion I have for this job, for my profession. I love to be a dental assistant.
Amazing. Okay. Passion. Didn't get that one before, but I'll write that one down. Thank you. Let's see. When you read the job description, what made you think you should apply for it?
Because I love this office. I see that's a family owned place, which I would have a good environment to work. It's more teamwork and it's a good place to work. And the benefits, actually, I love the benefits as well. So I like that it's family owned and also we have good benefits because I know that I will have a good place to work and also I will have benefits. So that's a bit perfect combination for me.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, we do have a pretty good benefit plan over here with dental, healthcare, and eyes. So yeah, it's everything.
Yeah, it's good that I saw that you also incentivize studies. So you would pay for studies for us to improve in the profession and getting to know better about it. So that's really exciting too.
Okay, Caroline. Another one is about pay. We do offer competitive pay here, but what do you think is a good starting off salary for you?
As a recent graduate from the Tony State College, which is a great school, with Score accredited, and also because of all my clinical hours, I would say that $20 would be a great pay for me to start with.
That's good. That's a good amount so far.
Thank you.
So Caroline, another question I would have to ask you is that we do have some days that we do work on the weekends. Would that be okay with you working on the weekends
Yeah,
sometime?
definitely, definitely. I'm here. I would be there for the patients and for my workmates, so I would have no problem working on weekends at all. I would go glad and I'll work glad for it.
We do offer it is $5 extra an hour on the weekends.
Oh, it's even greater. Oh,
Yeah,
awesome. Okay, yes, I love to work on weekends. No problem.
yeah,
I
perfect.
have always worked on weekends anyways. That's not a problem for me. I would glad to go work. Don't worry.
All right, Caroline, I think that is all the interview questions I have for you today. Is there any questions you have for me?
Not for now because I study a lot about the your dental office. So I'm glad to be here doing the interview with you all. And I don't have any questions. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure, and you should hear from us soon.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
Bye bye.
Bye. Oh my.